Once you find a comfortable place where you can sit or lie down, close your eyes and take a deep breath. A slow breath in, hold for a moment, and exhale, letting your body fully relax. Feel the weight of your body against the surface beneath you, fully supported, fully safe. Imagine yourself sitting in a vast, open field at dusk. The sky above you is painted in soft shades of deep red and warm orange. The last golden rays of sunlight stretching across the earth. The air is calm, carrying the soothing scent of the earth, fresh and grounding. Beneath you, the earth is warm from the day's sunshine. Press your hands against the ground. Feel its unwavering strength, its quiet, steady presence. The earth does not leave. It does not abandon. It's always here, beneath you, supporting you. Now bring your attention to the base of your spine, your root chakra, your center of security, stability, and belonging. Imagine a gentle warmth spreading from this space, as if the earth itself is offering you its steady energy. With each breath, this warmth grows stronger, glowing red. It fills your body, traveling down your legs, through your feet, connecting you to the steady, ancient presence of the earth. You are not lost. You are not alone. You are deeply connected to something greater than yourself. You are anchored, held, safe. Breathe in that knowing. Feel it with every ounce of your being. As your weight lays upon Mother Earth, knowing that she's right there for you, slowly bring to mind the people or experiences that made you feel abandoned. Maybe it was a friend, a lover, a family member. Maybe it was many people. Acknowledge that pain. Acknowledge what you went through, how tough it was, how much it took from you at times. Acknowledge that pain. Really feel it, as hard as it may be. Let it flow up and out of you. releasing it, no longer holding on to it. Choose now to let it go. Ask yourself, what if those who left were not meant to stay? What if their presence in your life would have changed you in ways that weren't meant for you? What if their energy, their wounds, their choices were never in alignment with who you were meant to become? Breathe in very deep here. And exhale as loud as you can. And with that exhale, release the idea that you were abandoned, left behind, forgotten. Release that. Maybe the reality is that you were not abandoned, but you were redirected. You were protected from something you may not have been able to see at that time, or maybe you'll never be able to see or understand. And that's okay. If that person had stayed, maybe you would have become someone unrecognizable to yourself. Maybe their energy, their pain, their choices would have weighed you down, pulled you away from your true path. Keep breathing. Keep exhaling as loud as you can, letting that energy go. Releasing any last remnants of them, of the experience, of the feelings they left behind. And maybe, if you can or feel ready, just maybe, you can start to begin to forgive them. Just plant the seed. Plant the possibility that you can forgive them. They have been given their own path and own lessons in this life, just as you have. Let them go. Let them continue on their own path. Keep breathing. Envision a fork in the road, with you going down a new golden path full of opportunity and your true destiny. And as you glance to your side, you see that person continue down their own path, moving farther and farther away from you. And as you move farther and farther away, your path continues to shine and glimmer and brighten and brighten. This is your life, your chance to take the high road, leaving all of the sorrow behind. attention to your heart, the center of your chest. Notice what you're feeling and experiencing here. Don't judge, just notice. Whatever it is, good or bad, begin to feel a warmth glowing there, healing all parts of you, all parts of your heart that have been broken or hurt, repairing them, strengthening your heart center, strengthening the belief and the knowledge that you have never truly been alone ever. The universe has always been with you. Your guides have always been whispering, leading you to something better. Your ancestors, your past loved ones on the other side, have always surrounded you, wrapping you in love and guiding you forward. And most of all, you have always had yourself. Through every heartbreak, every loss, every difficult moment, you have remained. You have shown up for yourself. You have kept going. And that is true belonging. That is true love. Breathe in this truth. Let it settle into your bones. Let it replace the old story of abandonment. You were never left behind. You were guided forward into greatness. Connect back to that deep red glow at the base of your spine and your root chakra. It is strong, steady, and unwavering, just like you. Feel this warmth wrapping all around you, protecting you, reminding you of your power. Look at everything you've been through. Don't choose to stay stuck. Choose now, in this very moment, to move forward and leave the past behind. Take in one last deep breath in and exhale completely till every last drop of air is out of your lungs. And then return your breathing back to normal. Slowly, gently, begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, waking up your body. Bring your hands to your heart and tell yourself, I love you. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are grounded. You are safe. Your body is your true home. You are not alone. You never have been, and you never will be. You are loved.